Cholesterol, blood glucose, lipids and triglycerides. If you want to lower your cholesterol and lower your blood glucose, then you need to try this amazing remedy below. Ingredients: pumpkin. You need to peel 100 to 120 grams of pumpkin, place the pieces in a blender raw, and add some water. Blend until you get a nice and homogeneous mixture. You need to drink this vitamin smoothie 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast, every day. Make sure you do this treatment for a month, or every time you think you need to lower your cholesterol. And the best thing about this treatment is that you control the outcome, making analysis before and after treatment. This is a natural vegetable, do not use sugar. Pumpkin compounds can eliminate all LDL cholesterol from the arteries, through the urine. This miraculous remedy cleanses the arteries and you will feel refreshed and full of energy.